Okay, for everyone else, this is basically a review I want to do on the Roomba. I looked around on YouTube for ages trying to find really good, long, in-depth reviews of the Roomba. Couldn't find them. There's another one that was actually quite good that was probably about 3 parts long, but there was lots of little questions I had afterwards that I wanted to get answers to that I couldn't find them. So yeah, I'm going to try and put this review together and go into a lot of detail showing you all the different things about the Roomba 560 that I just received. So let's unbox it. Alrighty, so the Roomba arrived today. Am I going to be able to get into it? Let's hope so. The Roomba 560. Invoice from the people I brought it from. Big bit of cardboard. Whee! What do we got? Oh, sticky tape. Let's tear it off. Quick start guide. All the little bits and pieces. I've got the power adapter, which has hopefully been converted for Australian use, and it's got the little, oh, get that sucker off. It's got a little Australian plug on it, so that's good. And it's been converted to 240. Beautiful. Don't know how well I've got it in the right position there. Alright, what else have we got? This is the little, have a little look here, where are you? Little cleaning tool of some type for getting all the hair out of the brushes. Put that there. What else have we got? Now this is the 2007 model. Apparently these are the new slim, let's see how much I can show you on there. These are the slim new lighthouses. Get a look at that. Come on. Let's put it up the right way for you. On, off. What's that? Nothing. Nothing. Not a whole lot to them. What happens if I pull this? Nothing. Oh, wait a second. Let's see if we can open it. Oh, there we go. And looks like takes a couple of, takes 2 C-cell C-cell batteries. So that's one. Number 2 lighthouses. Get rid of those. What's in there? We've got the little filter. If you have any questions about your product, I'd like to please contact our first. Okay, contact the staff. This is the actual unit itself. And the only other thing I've got in here is the recharge base. The recharging station. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was. That's only as big as your hand kind of thing. So there's that, which power plugs in there. Doesn't seem to be any switches on it. Nope. That's it. Alrighty, so let's check out the actual Roomba itself. There's really sticky tape in here. Alright, what's this got to say? You got any questions? Blah blah. Okay, that's the battery tab. That is the, it's only 3 bristles on the brush. The little thingamajig brushes are in there. So I think I just have to pull that out. Flip it over. Take that off. That's all there is to it. Wow. Alright, have a bit of a look. It's the usual bits and pieces. Display, the clean buttons. This is the bin at the back, I believe. Just pull that, push that in. Oh yeah. It's the dustbin. Oh yeah. The dustbin's there. The filter is already inside. There's a filter already in there.
really a whole lot to it. What's in there? Yeah, you can have a look in there. That's obviously the back of the brushing section. Put that back in there. Alright, give me a minute, I'm going to read the quick guide and see where we go to from here. Alright, just checked out the quick guide. Basically it says all I have to do is remove Roomba's battery pull tab, which is this thing here. Where's that? Oh crap, it's turned on. No it hasn't, it's just made a noise. Maybe because it's got power. Set up the base station and charge the Roomba in one of two ways. Plug the power adapter straight into the unit or plug it into the base station, and then it says before first use charge Roomba overnight or until the clean button turns green. Well, let's go set this puppy up. So, got the base station here plugged in, all ready to go. When you plug it in, the little guy flashes this little green LED. See, there we go, flashes. And then on the bottom here, you've got the two battery terminals. So I'm hoping when I line this puppy up, my charge light comes on, which it's doing. You can't see that, but on the camera it comes up sort of a nothing colour. In real life it's actually a really quite a noticeable yellow colour. So we'll leave that to charge up overnight.